Hey, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Today we're going to talk about a new concept that I invented. I'm going to say I invented it because that just makes me sound like I'm smart. Using the wrong tool for the right job. Tool selection, really important when you're doing certain tasks. I'm trying to get at the light bulb that's under this ledge here, and it's the light bulb that lights the license plate. And you know, they're really tiny. They're really small. They're, you know, like that. And there's a whole fixture in here, and there's a clamp, a plastic clamp that clamps onto a ledge. Right? See where my thumb is? So what I want to do is I want to get the painter's tool, paint can tool, and I want to hook it onto that ledge and pull it so that I can slide off the whole assembly and drop it down. And this is going to be pretty interesting. So wrong tool for the right job. Painter's can opener. Hopefully we're getting good focus here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paint can opener and I'm going to just get into the side of that clamp. I'm going to work that clamp so that I can get the painter's can opener around the back of it. And I'm going to just rock the painter's can opener until I can pop that off. Now I'm over here with it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to rock it until I can get the assembly off. And there we go. I now have access to the light fixture. So there is a trick to removing the lens, and that is to get something hard like a file, push on that tab just right, and that should free your lens. Just be real careful. It'll come right up. And then you have a bulb in there, and that bulb should pull right out. I used to work on pinball machines, and these are pinball machine bulbs. That they are. This one appears to be a little greasy. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a rag, pull on it. Wow, that doesn't want to come out. Let's try that. Well, that did it. Man, that's on the floor now. Alright. So, here we have our stapled together bulbs package from the auto store. And we're just going to push that back in there. It helps if you remove all your fingerprints and whatnot from the bulb. Bulbs will last a lot longer that way.